Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. This is going to be really focused on some Valentine's, maybe DIYs or a little decor for your home. And I found some pretty nice things this trip. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today I have a Valentine's Day inspired Dollar Tree haul. That's kind of a long one. But I wanted to go ahead and share with you the finds that I found. So let's just jump into it. I am going to probably follow this up with a Valentine's DIY video. I have a few things in mind what I'm attempting to do, so hopefully they work out nicely. I don't really do a ton of decorations for Valentine's Day. I just add in a few little things just for the kids and add some color back to the house. Usually post Christmas I kind of keep things really basic just because there was so much going on for the holidays. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. Alright, in the first bag here I have 3 of these pink, I don't know if they're felt. They feel kind of felty to me. They don't say what they are. And they have this pink glitter around the edges, but they're cut out. So they're really pretty, really feminine, obviously very Valentine's Day inspired. And I also got 3 of these red ones. So these are actually going to be for a DIY. Do you guys have any clue on what I might do with them? Comment down below if you think you know. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. Just joking. But yeah, that was in the first bag. And here is our second bag here. I obviously had to pick up some little pink roses. I just got 2 packs of them, or 2 bushels of them, just for a little pop of color in the kitchen. Then I picked up 2 of these heart picks. I got the red ones. They're just red and glittery, really cute. These would be good for all over the house. And then I got these pink ones. So yeah, I'm going to do a project with those. I picked up this little sign. It says bless your heart. I thought this was really cute just for a little piece around the house. I remember when these first started getting big, you could only ever find them at Marshall's or Hobby Lobby, and they were minimum $5. Now you're finding them at Dollar Tree. So I'm happy. So yeah, definitely a cute little wooden thing. This will last you forever, so. I also picked up 2 of these pink hearts. They're called table scatters, but I'm thinking I can use these along the line of maybe a vase filler. So we'll see. I don't know. I've never used these things before, and I can't have these scattered on my table. I don't know anybody who could actually have these scattered on their table. If it wasn't my kids are old enough to know not to put these in their mouth, but my dog isn't. And yeah, do people really scatter these little things? I don't know. That's just a mess waiting to happen. I don't know. But yeah, I got 2 packs of these. They did have these in red too, if you guys were interested. This was something that I found and I was really excited to share with you guys. So I got 2 of them. These are the LED tea light candle, waterproof, color changing. So inside here includes 1 tea light and 20 gems. So hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna put this one down. So you guys can see there's little diamonds in there, you see? And then it comes with the light, the little LED light. So for your vase fillers, and these are waterproof. If you guys were getting married or had a shower coming up, I would stock up on these because these used to be really expensive and they were really hard to find. And yeah, so you just, and it changes colors, it shows you right here. So it goes red, blue, and green. So I thought for Valentine's Day with red, I thought that would be really pretty. So I got 2 of those. Side note, I did get those Oh Snap Hot Bite pickles. I got 3 bags of them. They do need to be refrigerated, so they are in the refrigerator, and I ate 2 of them. They're 0 carbs, PS, because they're not in any brine, and they are delicious. Go pick some up. They're in the refrigerated section if you're looking. The next 2 things I got were these little glass vases. These are kind of small, a little bit different. I'm not going to put those fake flowers in here. I know people, Leo thought, he's like, oh, you're going to put flowers in there? No. I'm going to try to just add a couple, like I said, little pieces to the house. So hopefully I can kind of figure out what to do with these. I'm thinking somewhere along the lines of these little picks and some of those little beads. I don't know. You'll see, but it'll come up this week, hopefully. But yeah, so I got 2 of these. Alright guys, so hopefully you liked this little haul. I know it wasn't too much. I know I usually go a little bit harder with my Dollar Tree hauls, but I just kind of wanted to stay very much within budgets because I didn't want to go too crazy. Like I said, I've spent so much money on decor for Christmas that I'm just trying to add a little bit just to kind of make it a little festive for the kids, you know, just a little bit of something. I might go to Target, to the dollar spot, to get the little coffee stirrers. I think that might be kind of fun for the girls to have because it's so cold here that I like to make them hot chocolate when they get home, so that'll be kind of cute. But other than that, this is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and just try to do a couple little DIYs just to kind of sprucing up the joint, but that's it. So, I will see you on the next video. Hopefully you guys liked this one. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join the fam because we're all friends here and it's a really cool place to be. But alright guys, I will check in with you on the next video. Bye guys.